On your television screens now are the latest visuals coming in from New Delhi, where Congress workers are protesting against the rail fare hike. Sneha is with us. In fact, they are blocking the rail tracks. Sneha, where exactly are these protests happening?
Well, this is happening at the railway station. The DPCC protesting against the railway price hike. In fact, they had made a series of announcements that they're going to protest against the government's decision to hike railway fares by 14.2%, and of course freight rates, which means that the prices of essential commodities goes up. Obviously, the Congress seeking an opportunity here. The tug of war really between the Congress and the BJP, the war over it really continues, with the BJP saying that they're only implementing a decision that was actually taken by the UPA government. They had no option but to do that to meet the expenditures. Meanwhile, the Congress has been saying that it was never a political decision. It was a suggestion made by the railways and that they didn't want to implement it, and that's the reason why they had kept it on hold. So the war over, like I said, really on, but the Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee seeking an opportunity in this. They had planned to agitate, and they're going to obviously organize.
ये दिल्ली के लोगों का, खास करके ग्रामीण और अनऑथराइज्ड कॉलोनीज के रहने वाले लोगों का गुस्सा है। तुरंत प्रभाव से केंद्र सरकार को बढ़ा हुआ किराया वापस लेना चाहिए। ये गुस्सा है दिल्ली के ग्रामीण क्षेत्र के लोगों का, अनऑथराइज्ड कॉलोनीज के लोगों का, रीसेटलमेंट में रहने वाले लोगों का, गरीब आदमियों का गुस्सा है ये, और इसलिए जो है तुरंत प्रभाव से किराया वापस लेना चाहिए और दिल्ली को बिजली और पानी जैसी मुसीबत से, किल्लत से छुटकारा दिलाना चाहिए। ये
Sneha, we also in fact
नहीं चाहते थे, लेकिन दिल्ली के लोगों का गुस्सा इतना है। कांग्रेस के कार्यकर्ता, कांग्रेस के नेता दिल्ली के 2 करोड़ लोगों के साथ हैं। आज दिल्ली में इतनी महंगाई हो गई है कि दिल्ली में गरीब आदमी दिल्ली छोड़कर भाग रहा है। इसलिए विरोध प्रदर्शन और कांग्रेस की लड़ाई जारी रहेगी पूरी दिल्ली में, ये भी हम ऐलान करते हैं।
So there you heard the local Congress leaders of Delhi, also the DPCC President Arvinder Singh Lovely, in fact, making that pitch. Sneha is reporting on that story even as we stay with those latest visuals. Sneha, obviously, assembly elections are in mind, and Sneha, in fact, will be back with us in just a bit. But let's tell our viewers who are just joining us on this broadcast on what really is happening in Delhi. The Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee, headed by its chief Arvinder Singh Lovely, right now is protesting against the rail fare hike. And in that very same breath, in fact, he also mentions the water and the electricity situation in the capital, saying that the price of essential commodities along with these services of water and electricity is boomeranging. In fact, he's asking answers from the NDA government that what really happened to all your pro-people policies. And Sneha now is back with us. Sneha, looking at the assembly elections, perhaps in assembly, Congress not wanting to miss out any opportunity. Remember, we've seen them so much this time on the streets protesting against all the issues that affect common people.
Well, yes, power, electricity, water, very, very emotive issues this time around the rail fare hike, especially when the BJP had been saying that the government really is for the common people. It is an emotive issue. The government had said, the Prime Minister, in fact, had said that there are going to be bitter pills, and this is among the first bitter pill actually really administered by the government to the people. But the argument is going on between the BJP and the Congress. Whose fault is it? Who really spoke about a fare hike? The BJP saying that this was a decision by the Congress. They had put it on hold. We are only doing it to meet the expenditures. And the Congress has been saying that this was never a political decision. It was definitely a suggestion. We never implemented the decision. So it is unfair for the BJP to put the blame really on us. But like you said, the Congress obviously is sensing a political opportunity in all of this and joining the other opposition parties, other parties to really criticize the government as to why this fare hike at a time when prices of essential commodities are already up, freight prices going up as well is going to again further increase the prices of essential commodities that railways really carry from point A to point B every single day. So that really is the problem. And the other issue, of course, is that by the pre-budget hike, in a sense, when the railway budget is on the 8th of July, why was this decision really taken, a couple of days before the railway budget was actually presented in Parliament? Yes, sensing a political opportunity. Many people are upset about the fare hike. It is the largest public carrier. We do know the Indian Railways ferries lakhs of people every day, and it is an issue that really affects the common man in a sense. and the Congress sensing a political opportunity there to reach out to the people that perhaps it couldn't reach out to during the Delhi Assembly elections and also the Lok Sabha elections.